Greetings everyone, welcome back. This is Marco, and if you've ever been in any vintage lenses and cameras community, forum, Facebook group or whatever, there is one question that you've probably seen popping up time and time again. I am new, what lenses should I buy? To which people will respond with their favorite lenses, going everywhere from the humble but omnipresent Helios to rare and expensive lenses like contact size or ingenue. But being the usual contrarian that I am, I give a different advice. Buy whatever cheap lens you can find local near to you. There is only one thing you should be careful about, and it is if there is an adapter to use that lens on your camera. And that's it. Some might say that I am oversimplifying, and yes, I am, but this, keep in mind, is just my personal opinion, and I personally believe that you should be free to experiment with whatever you want. And actually, I'm also talking from experience because I've seen this happen. I've seen people asking this question in groups, in forums, buying a set of, I don't know, Nikors and ending up not liking them. And that's bad for them. It's not a good experience. These people will probably not be invested into vintage lenses anymore because they had a bad experience. While if you buy whatever cheap lens you find near to you, spend 20 bucks more for an adapter, and you're like, okay, this is trash, sell it, buy something else. Okay, I don't like it, sell, buy something else. Okay, I like this one. What is this one? It's a Yashica. It's a Yashica DSB. Okay, let's find some more. Or it's a Pentacon. Okay, I like Pentacons. And you start digging for more of those. And then you stumble upon something different. You're like, what is this? And this, oh, maybe this is cool. Oh, this is a Konica. Konica is cool. You see the point. If you go your own way, if you follow your own path, you will discover what you enjoy. And for example, my first experiences with vintage lenses have been with a Carl Zeiss Sienna Biometar that I bought at a flea market and with a couple of Canon FDs that a friend let me borrow. And from there, I started to develop my taste. I was like, okay, I like Canon FDs, they're light, they're sharp, they're neutral. Carl Zeiss Sienna, it has an interesting character, but it's also quite a bit of a lot for me. So I started, carving my path and see what I liked and what I didn't. And as you can see, for me, it has snowballed a little bit and I've ended up cycling through many different lenses and brands, but I still have that joy of discovery when I use a new brand or different lens or even a focal length that I don't usually use that much. Long story short, find whatever cheap lens you can find near to you and start from there. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun. Well, that's it, but I have one question for you. What was your first vintage lens? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!